guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do. How about you go get Bird?
Okay, Bird.
Yeah. We're gonna play with Bird.
Yeah.
Dun dun dun.
Birdie. Yeah.
Play with Bird, and Bird's gonna have a. You get it?
Cool
Fidget spinners! Birds with fidget spinners. No one's ever seen such a thing, have they? Fidget spinners. There's 1, 100, and
I'm gonna get mine. Yeah,
fidget spinners and bearings to
Yeah.
make our own fidgets. So if you spin it, it does nothing because it's not on. So, Drew, pick your favorite fidget spinner.
I really like.
What do you like? This one? It lights up and it has different settings
Yeah.
and lights up.
It's cool, dude.
TV's
It's cool, dude.
Let's see.
Really cool.
This one glows in the dark and it has emojis.
There's junk one.
That's not junk, that's my first ever, and it spins not so swell.
Look how little this thing is.
Let me go put the fidget spinners away. And we're gonna play with a bird and a giant emoji. This is
And
Bird.
another giant.
This is Bird. This is the emoji bird. Dun dun dun. Emoji bird.
And
Emoji bird.
another emoji guy.
Emoji bird.
Cool, good dude.
Emoji. Now Bird is
Cool
cool.
dude.
He's cool.
Yeah, smiley.
He's cool, and he's smiley, and we are smiley.
Yeah, we're smiley and cool.
Yeah, this is the Marcus and Drew YouTube channel. And if you enjoy our videos, you should subscribe and like the video. And you'll help Bird be more, I don't know. I think parents are going out of extinct.
I don't know.
I think
Yeah,
they're going
guys.
extinct. I think parrots are going extinct. If you don't want these to go to extinct, then like the video. And you'll make him very happy.
And there's cool bro happy.
Yeah. So, it's not the end of the video yet, but Drew,
What?
I know what we should do.
What?
Only masters can do this. And that is take I got the magical diamond sword.
We have a lot. My brother likes Minecraft. I like Minecraft. Sometimes he plays Minecraft and yeah.
Dun, dun,
And sometimes he watches Minecraft videos. Boom in your face.
I like Minecraft, and if you don't tell, comment down below. So we're gonna have a fight between Bird and Drill. Are you ready?
Yes.
Hippie-ka, hippie-ka, hippie-ka. Ah, pew! Yeah, pew! Emoji attack. Oh my gosh, it's going nuts. Pew, pew, pew. Dead. You killed him. Get off of him. Poor bird, he's dying. If you want to save birds from these people, then like the video.
I mean,
Yep. Just hit the
Yeah.
thumbs up button. Yep, the
Yeah.
thumbs up
Yeah.
button.
Cool.
So,
I hate you.
you're not nice. Get out of my house. Bad. Should we?
What? Take a vote, Chase. Do you like
Drill, come with me. Wait. This is the new Birdie YouTube channel. You can't handle having me. Drew, come on, Drill.
Back in a moment. How much time is it gonna be?
Come on.
How much time?
We're not coming back. It's Bird's new channel. Bye, everyone. We're back.
Yeah,
Did you
we're
really
back.
think we're getting rid of our channel for? This is the second video I'm posting, and it's gonna be a good one. So,
I'm cool.
yeah, we had everything so far, Drew. Emojis, birds,
And
fidget spinners, and diamond swords.
did you see that?
So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave it a
If
like.
you know
subscribe.
the magnet one, it's really like you go in where our videos is, you probably find the magnet one. Bye, guys.
See you in the next one.